Like a boss.
All right, ladies. So today we have a special video today, all right? Today we're gonna be breaking down Kim Kardashian and how she deals with online bullies and trolls. And now look, man, more than guys, women need this more often because women could be fucking evil as shit on the internet. You know what I'm saying? Women could be evil. And the reason why I say women could be evil is because of this. Women have a very good understanding of their weak spots. Women know the criticism that hurts them. And as a result, they know how to hurt other people. Guys, our criticism is geared more towards you being a loser. Women's criticism are geared more towards things you can't change. You know, and they could be very, very vicious about it, right? And that shows you that women are not angels. I mean, some of the shit that women say could hurt anybody. They could hurt me. They could hurt anybody, right? And so I want to break down how Kim Kardashian deals with it because out of all the celebrities, she gets the most trolls, right? And that can have an effect on your psyche that's like very underrated, an underrated effect on your psyche. Now, for those who don't know, I'm not going to mention her name because this video might get a lot of views, so I'm not going to mention her name. But one of the reasons why I made the videos I made, when I was trolling that one person, right? Not him, but the other person, right? I'm not gonna name it because this might get a lot of views. The reason why is because I wanted to put myself and hear that criticism because a lot of my subscribers, they don't criticize me, right? I needed to make that video so that I could experience the criticism, right? Because those criticism were really, really vicious. They were calling me a molester, a child molester, right? They were calling me an abuser. I'm founded. They were just trying to hurt me, right? And I'm like, what's a child molester, right? But the point is that criticism allowed me to see how easy it is to destroy a person. I'm lucky. I'm a guy. I have decent self-esteem. And don't get me wrong, those criticisms hurt. And that's why in the first video that I made of that one person, I didn't respond to any of the comments because it just took me like, I was like, what the fuck? Like, why so many negative criticism? Why the people so focused on my exterior? They were literally criticizing how I looked. And I didn't know what the fuck was going on, right? And then after a while, I realized, holy shit, these are trolls, right? So then I was like, you know what? I'm pretty pissed off at this. I'm not gonna hold it in me. I'm gonna use that for creative energy. And so I started attacking the trolls, right? Using what they use against me. So I want to show you. So the reason why I made this video is because I know a lot of you ladies get trolled by other women who are hating on you. I know a lot of you ladies feel the criticism, get bullied, and it's something that is very unspoken because you don't want to admit you're getting bullied because you feel inferior. Me, I get bullied. I got bullied by those fans, right? And that's the truth. But I'm gonna show you how to deal with them in a healthy way because the unhealthy thing to do is deny it. The unhealthy thing to do is act like it doesn't hurt you. Who the fuck do you think you are that criticism doesn't hurt you? Who the fuck do you think you are? Right? So let's see what Kim Kardashian has to say about the criticism. And I'm gonna show you what I did to deal with the criticism and what she does to deal with the criticism and how you guys can deal with bullies, right? Because a big part of bullies is that there are three things about bullies. One, bullies are always sensing for weakness. Bullies are always sensing for weakness. They're always smelling weakness, right? The second thing is bullies, when they sense weakness, they cannot help but attack. It's an easy victory, right? So they're always sensing for weakness, and once they sense weakness, they can't help it but attack it. And the third thing about bullies is that bullies will not attack you if they feel like you're not an easy victory. If they feel like you're gonna retaliate, they'll back off, right? So I want to show you how to make sure that they know not to mess with you, all right? And actually, I'm gonna put this in here, right? Because this is more in person. Okay. All right. So the first thing. So let's watch the video and then we can get started with this. By the way, ladies, don't forget to come to my seminar October 26th. We're going to be talking about mastery. Come to the seminar in New York City. And also I have other seminars in Europe next year. So go to my website and see if I'm going to be going to your country. All right. All right. Let's start this. Where's that? Okay. One second.
Exciting point. Absolutely, it affects me when people
She's talking about criticism.
are negative. I mean, you could have, you could post something and it'll be a million amazing comments, and then it could be one or two negative comments that really do affect you and get to you.
Yeah, man. And that's like, I'm a confident person. I like to think that I'm a confident person, right? And negative comments hurt me. They hurt. They hurt anybody. Like honestly, if you want to hurt a YouTuber, just start calling them names, Start criticizing how they look, and I could promise you, they will get hurt. They just will. You know, they just will. They're human beings. If you want to hurt me, trust me, you could hurt me if you want to. I may not show it, but you will hurt me, right? The thing is that you cannot deny that it hurts you. Stop. The main thing about all this is trying to act like it doesn't hurt you. That's when you begin to suppress it. And that's when it's like, that's suppression, like, it doesn't hurt me. It's like inside, boiling, right? What you got to do is admit your humanity and be okay and understand that it hurts you and it hurts anybody else. When you put yourself with everybody, it hurts everybody. You can then realize that in reality, what you're experiencing is an attack. It's not reality, or they're just attacks. When you realize that everybody could feel the same way you're feeling, that anybody, because what the trolls want you to feel is like you're the only one who's hurt. Understand that this gets anyone, and the only reason why they want to hurt you is because they're hurt. Now, don't realize that as a way to put them down, and then you can feel better because they're hurt, and you're like, they're hurt, and that's why they criticize me. Have compassion for their criticism. Understand that it hurts you, and that they're also in pain. That understanding allows you to just marinate in the criticism, and it just doesn't hurt you that much. You see what I'm saying? But let's keep listening.
I'm human just like everyone else. Like, things do hurt my feelings. But I think that I do have a really thick skin.
There you go. You see? So it's kind of like, and how did she develop that thick skin? Through consistent criticism. That's why I'm doing it. I like making those videos because they expose me to criticism that I'm not used to, but it's good. It's like giving your body a shot just to build an immune system. You give yourself a disease at a low dose to build the immune system. You see what I'm saying?
I think that, it is unfortunate. It's like there's so many amazing things about social media, and then there's, obviously, like you were saying, with the good comes the bad. You do see a lot of people like online bullying because they have this like keyboard courage that, no one will see them and they can just write whatever to hurt your
and that's the truth. Like for example, when I made those videos and then I made people call in, nobody called in with that criticism. They only wanted to comment it, but when it's time to talk to them, they don't bring up the criticism. It's you got to understand that people aren't in pain. If they're in pain, they want to put you in pain. And don't think about that as a way to like, yeah, you're in pain. It's more to understand and have compassion for it. Break them down to size. Like when you look at the trolls and you look at their page, you realize that they're losers. Don't punch down. Understand their perspective and have compassion. That will help you deal with those blows. Because what you don't want to do is deny it. I know, accept it, your
feelings. And I know I can handle it, but I just fear for, I do see why young kids and people and teenagers even get so, hurt and bothered. That is what really bothers me.
Yeah, but the truth is it bothers her too. It's unfortunate. All of the plastic surgery is a reflection that she's insecure, and that's okay. It's like people criticize her for being insecure. I'm like, you motherfucker. Who the fuck do you think you are? That you're not insecure? What? Are you serious? All right, you know what? Let's talk in 20 years and tell me if you're not insecure, you motherfucker, right? So it's kind of like everybody is insecure about something. And it's okay to feel insecure. Don't feel bad if you feel that. It's human nature. Most people will deny it, but it's more common than you expected. Now, let me show you some of the things you guys got to do around. The first thing is this. Go see therapy. If you're getting bullied online, you got to go get some therapy. That's the first thing. You got to have a realistic perspective. Don't ask your friends. Go see somebody. Go get some professional help, because I'm telling you, online bullying and online criticism that's meant to harm you will get to you. You're not immune to this. It will get to you eventually. It will. It's better to go see help. You're not indestructible. Go see some help if you're getting criticized and overly bullied, and shut it down completely, right? The next thing is let yourself feel the criticism. Like I said, don't deny it doesn't hurt you. See the criticism and just feel that pain, because clearly that pain is there because of it comes from your shadow self, the part of you that you're insecure, but that you don't want to have a conscious awareness of it. Bring it into the light and allow yourself to feel that insecurity, and let your body feel insecure. It's only human nature. You see? So see it and notice how that insecurity fuels a lot of your decision making, because that insecurity does fuel a lot of your decision making. Just notice how you see that emotion in just in lower intensities in other parts of your life. Use it as a way to understand yourself, okay? So the next thing is use criticism to grow. Sometimes people's criticism are true. As evil as it is, sometimes it's true. So ask yourself, maybe they're right. And once you, because sometimes people do hate you, but sometimes they'll tell you the truth in an attempt to hate you. What they don't want you to do is look at the truth. You know what I'm saying? Like they want you to look at the pain, but not the truth. Look at the truth, because they don't want you to do that, right? So say, okay, maybe their criticism is true. You know what? I should change that. And they don't want you to do that. If somebody's calling you fat and it hurts you, sometimes you gotta listen to them. Maybe you're fat. Maybe you need to work out. Maybe you're not healthy. You stop being offended. See the criticism and then see the anger. Oh, she's saying that I'm fat because she doesn't like me. But she might be right. I might have diabetes. I might need to get help. And so you're using their criticism to actually illuminate what you need to work on. You see what I'm saying? And the next thing is, once you notice what you could work on, notice what you can't work on and accept it. There's just some things you can. And let me tell you something, man. If somebody criticizes you on something that you can't change, my dude, I know it hurts, but that person is an evil motherfucker, man. And that person is just trying to hurt you. Like it's you gotta cut them down to size. Anybody who's willing to criticize something that you can't change, you gotta realize that those people are not worth your time. I know it's easier said than done, but you have to find a way to break them down. You have to find a way, because if you don't, you're gonna take them seriously. Break them down to size. Ask yourself, why would they say that? What would they have to be feeling to say something like that? You know, this is how it is. The next thing is become a student of human nature. So notice them being mean to you, and ask and try to understand human nature through them. See them as a tool. Like, this is an interesting kind of human. Let me understand them. Let me understand why they're so mad. Don't take it personal. See them as a way to understand human nature more. Ask yourself, why would they feel that way? What would they have to feel to criticize him like that? And just try to understand their nature, just to have an overall knowledge of human nature, right? And because then you could just begin to experiment, like, fuck you, you asshole. Interesting. Why would they say that? Right? And it expands your understanding of people. That's what I do with criticism. I ask myself, why would they say that? And it helps you understand more elements of them. And the next thing is, person stop being happy. And next thing is if you're being bullied, right, or online, and if you're in person, stop trying to be friendly to people. Stop trying to be friendly. Right? Learn to have a mean face. Learn to stop smiling so much. When you look at people, don't automatically smile. When you look at people, learn how to have a serious face. Because what bullies look is for people who are always trying to be friendly. Hey, right? Like, learn to have more seriousness to your character. Right? When you talk to people, don't talk, hey, no, just like, hey, is anybody sitting here? Oh, thank you so much. Right? You don't give people space to be too nice to you too early. No, be a little cold initially. This will deter some bullies away from you. I'm not even kidding with you. Like, honestly, God, who would you bully? Hey guys, is anybody playing basketball today? All right, cool. I got next. Right? As opposed to, hey guys, is anybody playing basketball today? All right, cool. I got next. Right? Which one does a bully say, oh man, what a pussy? The first one. I'm not even kidding with you. I'm not like. The overly happy, friendly shit to bullies are like, ooh, the aroma of a prey. They just want to attack you, you know? So stop being so friendly and happy in person, right? And that's what you do, man. Look, man, criticism will hurt you. It's inevitable. You can never escape it. It will hurt you. It will hurt you. You got to use that to grow thick skin. And do not deny the fact that it doesn't hurt you. You're not fucking Jesus. It will hurt you, all right? Just accept it and see how you could use that to grow. You know what I'm saying? Because maybe getting criticized and being bullied might make you wanna improve. You know, sometimes the criticism, they have a point, but they don't want you to notice that they have a point. They just want you to be in pain. Don't give them the satisfaction. Look at the truth behind their criticism. They may have a point, and use that to grow, because they don't want you to grow. All right. This is Alex from Mindful Attraction. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out, motherfuckers. Oh, and let me know who you guys want me to break down next. Okay. I was thinking of doing a Kylie Jenner video, but I was like, I don't know what topics to talk about her, you know? So let me know what topics you guys want me to make next, and I hope you guys have a great day. Peace out.
All right, ladies. So this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want, because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other, and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your non-verbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post-honeymoon period, and again is a short list of videos, because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's going to become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and all you got to do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos, stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.